What's tomorrow's stock market open gonna look like? Are we gonna have more NFP upwards momentum? Or is that brewing escalation in the Middle East gonna screw us all up? Maybe up, maybe down, but definitely to the right. War is good for business in the US. Israel is one of the best customers. As an Israeli, I sure hope to live one more day so I can at least lose all my money. It's just gambling op. 50 puts and 50 calls. X200B. Maybe red or black, if you want to play safer. It just went up $10 in one day. Are we really buying calls? There was a 600-point reversal on Friday. It's almost guaranteed we're gonna see a cool down. Always a dump after the pump. Zero trade Monday. If any of us knew we would be rich and not in this subreddit. Oil up 2-3 because Israel going be pounding the Gaza Strip a new one. Edit told y'all. Oil up 4 on a Sunday night. I hate saying this, but the war is a nothing burger in terms of US stocks for now. Maybe defense stocks will go up slightly. Prob gonna go up. All these wars popping off, commodities will do well. It's not going to look pretty, that's for sure, sir. The Ukraine war affected the market because of what Ukraine contributes to the world and energy. With Russia, Gaza does not have an effect on the world economy. Unless something happens with Iran by Monday morning, I don't think this really wakes up the bears, so to speak. The TA is more bullish anyways, so I don't think a bearish outcome is likely. I hope the market tanks. I'm looking to buy tomorrow. Smile with horns. LMT rocket. Black Monday. Lockheed Martin, Raytheon. It'll be as open as my legs. Turkeys will plummet as Canada's Thanksgiving is over. Market up. Hamas down. On this crazy market, bad news bullish. Gap down. Algos then run it next 2 days. Regards here be like war is bullish. But the entire market collapsed when the Russia-Ukraine war started. Big green. The bigger the war, the bigger the green. Priced in 2000 years ago. Everything is priced in. Theta wins again. Probably up unless it's down. Everyone up 50 baby. Calls on attack hang gliders and bottle rockets. Buy RTX. Raytheon is going to rise handsomely. At open we will have a massive gap up here, but then we will have a sudden error in all exchanges. Will be paused for 1.3 minutes. If you want to know how the day will continue, meet me at midnight at Wendy's and you can prove your worth. Oil and gold will be the name of the game tomorrow. Oil and defense up. SPY down. Puts on Hamas. Calls on Israel. Oil. Shitstorm. I am thinking investing in Google Translator, from English to Arabic, calls. My Meta puts hope red open. Defense, oil, and energy stocks to the moon. Maybe a flight to safety back to US Treasuries. Blood red. Futures almost in the red one. If you held puts over the weekend like an idiot, congrats. You think NFP made that jump happen? TFU smoking? That was a short squeeze cause all the rational people shorted, with NFP being a big number. You'll find out at 6:01 p.m. tonight. Sells off because algos have excuse to set up traps. VIX pumps 10. Market tanks. Pump on Wednesday. Not financial advice. IDKWTF will happen. Defense companies going up. Raytheon, General Dynamic, Lockheed, Boeing, maybe even Tesla. Nobody knows. This is the beginning of the dip to 350. Calls were weighted cheap on wouldn't have gotten suckered into as in the streets will also be. In the market, puts will printer bear. War is bullish. My prediction the market will not open. BA finna pop hard. Indigenous Peoples Day isn't a bank holiday? Maybe up, maybe down, definitely sideways to the right. If it goes to the left, we have bigger problems. This is financial advice. Forget to the moon. This market is going to go to the heavens to kill God. Trump might not have been right about what would happen with a Biden presidency. But he was right when he said Biden was going to kill God. He just didn't blue. It would be Tim Apple taking $APL to $100. That's factorial for all of you who only graduated HS because the state realized it was cheaper to let your dumbass wind up accidentally killing yourself eating a Tide Pod than attempt to teach you anything. Tomorrow is a holiday. Are the markets open? Probably backwards. Isn't tomorrow a bank holiday? Your mom fucking some billionaire after she sells you to fuck a goat. If anyone knew, then they could get obscenely rich off of it. Obviously no one knows. Guessing Monday. Tuesday we run up towards 439 SPY. Then Wednesday. Thursday we run back down due to PPI. CPI. You regard clearly don't research. Tomorrow is White Guy Discovered America Day. Markets are closed. Nothing, it's a holiday. Edit I'm wrong. The market is closed tomorrow. You posted this a day early. Markets aren't open tomorrow, ya dingus. National holiday. Bank holiday regard. I'm pretty sure that if we knew we'd all be rich as fuck already. First move will be fake. Nobody fucking knows, guy. Why don't you just wait until tomorrow to find out? Green AF nerd. It's definitely gonna do something, that's for sure. Think about Rheinmetall. Profited big from the war in Ukraine. Had a long consolidation the last months and is currently in a state where it's probably going up 30 in a few days. A lot of S&P companies are not even showing a PE ratio. I'm going SPDN. Just watch small mid-cap ETF. Real reversal comes when the little guys and equal weight SP start moving IWC, IWM, RSP. Till then a bounce in QQQ SPY might be short-lived. Dead cat bounce. Pump collision. If Russia and Ukraine basically did nothing, then why would this lol? Going down. I am selling pre-market. Tomorrow's price action will be just as predictable as last Friday's. Oil's gonna spike and shit stocks are gonna be shit stocks. 3-drop emo. Uncertainty is bad for markets and it is very uncertain how far this war escalates. Israel is a beggar state and Palestine is an apartheid state. Neither contribute much to the world's economy. Now if the tensions start boiling over to Saudi Arabia and Iran, now we're talking massive negative price actions. So as of right now, money on the sidelines stays on the sidelines. And the markets stay sideways to down. Green cock all week. Is this a real post? Jeebus. Just let me know what the general consensus is, so I can do the exact opposite. Thanks guys. No direct impact. It's business as usual in that region. Shit. Exactly like today. Happy Seabus Day. Ukraine war, Israeli war in terms of impact. Green AF. Hopefully that bitch dipped and moon like Thursday Friday my boy. I wanted to buy LMT and NOC, but seeing everyone here talking about it made me realize it may be a regarded play.